Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we are going to introduce Trello Complete Tutorial for Beginners. Now, first thing you should do is to simply open your browser, then type here Trello, then search for it. And after that, we'll show you this section right here. Just click on Trello, click on the first link. Then here you should click on Get Trello for free. And now here, as you can see, it will show you this page. You can now organize for ideas or work or track personal tasks, or simply click on skip and create your own. Now I will discuss everything about the program. Now here, as you can see, once you open it, you will find here the board that you have created. You can also create a new board by clicking on create right here, then click on create board. And now you can simply choose any board title. I'm going to name it jobs, for example. This is just for demonstration. And you can click on visibility and choose if it is private, public, workspace, etc. Then click on create. Now we have two boards. I have this board right here with this background, and I have another board. When you go to workspaces, you can simply navigate between them. So here I have the jobs, and here on the left you have the board that you have. You can simply navigate between them like so. Now let's go to do board. Here, as you can see, I have the list. You can simply click on add another list right here and name it. Let's say that I'm going to name purchases, then click on add list. Then here, as you can see, when you click on the plus sign, you can add another card, but here I will add a card just like here. Let's say 15 minutes a day, then click on add card. And now you can also share this board right here by clicking on the share button, then invite someone through his email address, or simply create a link just like so, then change the permission. You can make him join as an observer or as a member. And once you add someone, it will be shown just right here beside your name. And now here, as you can see, we have also the table. We can make a table appearance, not only board appearance. And here you can click on this pencil icon in order to do some modifications to the code. You can archive it if you want to delete it, or you can simply do some modifications. You can edit it with labels. You can also name these labels by clicking on this pencil icon, then name a title for this label. So let's say that I'm going to name this label with done. So here, when I click on this, it will be labeled just like so. You can also click on this label itself in order to show you the tag of the label. You can also click on edit, click on open card, and here you can add some description to your card. You can also attach some files. Let's say that you want to attach a link. You can just attach it here in the comments or in the description. You can also attach an image, a video, etc. And here on the right side, you can also add a checklist. You can add a location cover to this card. You can also copy this card like so, then move it to another board or move it even to another list on the same board. So you can choose the board, then choose the list from here. I'm going to name it for book, for example, then choose the position if you want to make it the first or the second. Let's say that I want to make it the first, then click on create card, and here you are, you have it just right here. You can also add filters, as you can see on the right side, and here on the left you will be able to see all the members. You can now drag this card like so, then get it to another list if you want to do so. So now here, as you can see, because I'm a video editor, here I have the video topics, and on the right I have the working on videos. I put the videos that I work on just right here, and after I finish them, I simply drag them from the working on video to thumbnail. Then after creating the thumbnail, I move it to ready to upload till I finish uploading it, then move it to upload it. So this is one of the uses that you can actually use it to. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.